Today I'm going to teach you a technique of Titibasana, how to perform a basic practice with small equipment like this rubber. We will take it. We have to put it under the knee, near to the calf muscle. Like this. Then stand up. The Titibasana we will perform first. Now what we have to do, we have to shift this rubber over the head, over the neck. Like this. Perform Titibasana right here. Tighten your knees, open your hip joints. After that, go for Titibasana. Straight your knees like this. The same way, come back. And release and relax. This is an easy technique for the people those really want to learn the advanced posture through some sports. Thank you very much. I hope you like this. Have a good day.